Good morning. Today we are continuing on with that slope-intercept form. We are doing Co57. I can write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form given two ordered pairs. So keep adding on to what we're doing with this slope-intercept form. What we're going to review, and this review always helps us. So we're going to write out slope-intercept form. Everybody say it for me.
Y equals mx plus b.
What is the x? Who can tell me? Robbie.
X value over given.
The x value of any ordered pair on the line. So that means that the y is the y value of any ordered pair on the line. So we have been writing this for several objectives. Do we just say, oh yeah, I know it, I don't need to write it? Oh, Mr. Schultz has this set up. He's having us repeat it over and over again because it's that important. We have seen how much we are building on the slope-intercept form. We need to make sure that we fully remember all the different parts. So we write it over and over and over again to help us remember. What is the M, Claire? Slope. What is the B? Luke? The y-intercept. Now, to write the equation of any line in slope-intercept form, you need two things. You need to be able to find the slope, and you need to know the y-intercept. So we're going to go back to PO51, really thinking about what it means to find the slope when you're given two ordered pairs. So let's look at what that all means. How do we put those together? So we're going to write the equation. Well, first let's look at this. Who remembers how we find the slope when we're given two ordered pairs? Anybody remember? Natalie?
Rise over run.
Rise over run is when we have the graph. Who remembers how we do it with two ordered pairs, Vivi?
Y2 minus y1.
Y2 minus Y1 over what?
X2 minus x1.
X2 minus X1. Write it down. Thank you for reminding us how to do it, Vivi. Okay? This is going to be important. We need to be able to find that slope with those two ordered pairs. So, now we're going to write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that passes through the given points. Show your work. First thing we want to do is to find our slope. So, I'm going to call this my 1, this my 2, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and I get 1 over negative 6. So that's a negative 1/6 for my slope. What is my y-intercept?
5.
It's going to be that positive 5, because we have 0, 5, so it's that positive 5. How can I put this into my slope-intercept form? Who thinks they could tell me what the slope-intercept form is? Claire?
Y equals negative 1x plus 5.
What's my slope? So I could just say negative 1/6 x, and then you're right, plus 5. Don't forget your negative, don't forget your x. Sometimes we're going to have two ordered pairs don't have it easy peasy for us with a 0 for an x. What do we do then? It's easy when we're given that 0 for an x and we know right away what our y-intercept is. Let's look to see what we do when we don't know the y-intercept and we have to actually find it. So, can we find our slope? Yeah. So my slope is doing y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 8 minus 4 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. I can simplify that down to just being 2 or 2 over 1. I'm not sure what that y-intercept is, what my b is. So I need to figure it out. I know y equals mx plus b. I know my m. I know my slope. I know an x and a y together, right? I've got two ordered pairs with x and y. I can fill in everything I know and solve for that y-intercept, solve for the b. So I can fill in, I'm going to use my first ordered pair. So y is a 4, my m, the slope is a 2, my x is that 7, plus b. I need to solve for b. So first thing I do is multiply. What is 2 times 7? Amala. 14. So I know 4 equals 14 plus b. What do I do to get the b by itself? What was that, Rocco? Opposite operations. I have a positive 14. I need to subtract 14. So that cancels out. 4 minus 14 is, Eleanor? 4 minus 14, negative 10. So now I know my y-intercept. The b is negative 10. Now I can put it all together, and I'm writing really big, so I'm going down here. If you write big and you need more room, you can go over to the page before you. But I know y equals m, which is that 2, x, whoops, I don't want to put plus 10, because it's a negative 10, so I'm going to put minus 10. So you have to use the formula to find the slope, to find your m. Fill in your slope with one of your xy pairs, in for the y and the x. Solve for the b so you know what to put for your y-intercept. Your final answer then is going to be in that slope-intercept form. Is that making sense? Okay. We will have work time when we come back from lunch. Please be still. I'm recording. If you are watching this at home, make sure you ask me if you have any questions. I hope you are well, and I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.